Today we're diving into the world of dropshipping with Spocket, the go-to platform for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Spocket is designed to streamline the dropshipping process, connecting you with suppliers worldwide to fulfill orders seamlessly. Throughout this video, we'll explore Spocket's features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options.
We're going to kick things off by taking a look at Spocket's main features. Extensive product catalog. Spocket offers a vast catalog of high-quality products, ranging from trendy apparel to innovative gadgets. With thousands of items to choose from, you can easily find products that resonate with your target audience. Global Supplier Network. Access a network of reliable suppliers located worldwide, ensuring fast shipping times and excellent product quality. Whether you're targeting customers in North America, Europe, or beyond, Spocket has you covered. One-click import. Seamlessly import products to your online store with just one click, eliminating the hassle of manual data entry. This feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Real-time inventory sync. Keep track of inventory labels in real time to prevent overselling and stockouts. Spocket automatically updates inventory levels, ensuring that you never have to miss a sale due to stock issues. Branded invoicing. Customize invoices with your branding to create a professional and cohesive customer experience. Build brand trust and loyalty by presenting a consistent brand image throughout the purchasing process. 24/7 customer support. Receive dedicated support from Spocket's team of experts whenever you need assistance. Whether you have questions about product sourcing or technical issues, help is just a click away.
Spocket offers 3 pricing plans: Starter, Pro, and Empire. The Starter plan is free forever, while the Pro plan costs around $49 per month, and the Empire plan costs around $99 per month. The Pro plan unlocks additional features such as unlimited product imports and branded invoicing, while the Empire plan includes priority support and exclusive deals with suppliers. Navigating Spocket is intuitive and user-friendly, with a clean interface that makes it easy to find what you need. The platform's robust search and filter options allow you to quickly discover products that align with your niche. Overall, Spocket provides a seamless user experience that simplifies the dropshipping process. Spocket offers an extensive product catalog and a global supplier network, making it easy to find high-quality products for your store. The platform's one-click import feature and real-time inventory sync streamline the dropshipping process, saving you time and effort. However, some users find that the pricing plans tend to be relatively expensive compared to other dropshipping options, which we'll get into later. Additionally, while Spocket offers excellent customer support, response times may vary depending on the plan that you choose.
If Spocket isn't the right fit for your business, there are several alternatives to consider, including Oberlo, AliExpress, and Salehoo. Each platform offers unique features and pricing options, allowing you to find the best solution for your dropshipping needs.
In conclusion, Spocket is a powerful tool for e-commerce entrepreneurs looking to streamline their dropshipping operations. With its extensive product catalog, global supplier network, and user-friendly interface, Spocket makes it easy to find and sell high-quality products online. While pricing may be a concern for some users, the platform's features and functionality justify the investment for many businesses. Ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level? Sign up for Spocket today and start building your empire. Don't forget to sign up for Spocket using the links in the description below, and be sure to subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and tutorials on building your online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.